Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at Daily Beats. Today I'm going to make a beat with samples, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe and activate the notifications so that you know when I upload new videos, and if you have any questions just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting my channel by buying one of my products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium or exclusive member, and you could see the full video on how I made this beat. So let's go ahead and start the tutorial. So the first thing I did was this is the sample. As you can see, a very nice sample with a lot of guitars. And I first did two things to the sample. I pitched it down for like 500 cents. As you can see here, if you look at this part here, you will see that it's minus 500. And then I add another one and I added plus 500. So now I have like two octaves. And then what I did was basically, this is how it sounds. And this step, I wanted this step in a higher octave, so I did that inverse thing. So I added this second slice X in a higher octave, and this is how it sounds. As you can see, very simple loop. As you can see, there is also some, it's not completely on the grid because I played it with Akai Fire, and this makes it a little bit more organic. Then I exported the clip as a audio clip, and then I brought it to the playlist, and I changed the pitch once again. So as you can see here, it's now 700. So it was originally down 500, and then I even lower it another 700 from the sample itself. So this is how it sounds now. And then I added a new copy, but now pitched up. So if I went 700 down to make 1200, I have to go 400 more. So this is, or 500 more actually. Yeah, 500 more. So this is how it sounds. So very simple. And what I basically do is I utilize both samples, one pitch down and one pitch up, to create some variation inside of the beat. Okay, so next I added this drum loop here. So let me play it together. A very simple drum loop, but I just used the hi-hats. So as you can see, I changed the velocity to make it sound a little bit more funky or human. And as you can see also, the timing, it's not right on the lines. So it has, I played also with Akai Fire, so to create a more bouncy look or bouncy feeling. Then I added the drums. And here we have a clap, a simple clap from the packs, from FL Studio packs here, drum audios, drums from Mode Audio. It's a simple pack, and then I added another a snare from Bangin trap drums. And in this snare, I added a Fidelity EQ just to apply a low pass filter. So this way the sound, it's a little bit more muffled, and it fits very well with the snare. It gives a nice bottom or low end to the snare. And then I had the kick. The kick again is from Bangin trap drums. It's a very simple kick, And I also added this. I think this is from Foley, the Foley pack, which is kind of a high pitch kick, and together they sound quite nice. And of course, here the swing to bring a little bit more swing to the beat, even with the time variations from recording, which makes it a little bit more organic. And it gives the combination of the timing of the playing plus these ones in the grid that I program here. It makes the beat a little bit more organic all across. Then I added this perk, and this perk has like a reverb, very simple reverb with low wet level and a nice delay with a time 2 to 0. This is without, very dry, and then with the effects. And this only happens on the fourth, the third or fourth. No, the fourth and eighth bar. What I want to say is every fourth bar it happens. Okay, so then this again is a very simple, again from the Foley pack percussion, or from this one, I'm not sure right now. Okay, and then we have the crashes. This is a new plugin that I got recently. It's from Blue Jay. It's a Blue Jay drums from Sonyvox, which I'm enjoying very much. And this is basically a crash, and I had it here a second crash. As you can see, they are different, and this creates also a little bit of bounce because of the swing. Okay, so then I have the guitar, and this is one of the things that I like about this beat, because I had like the sample, and it was missing something at the end, and I basically duplicated the pattern of the perk here. I copied this pattern, and then I put it here in this also a plugin from Sonyvox, Bright Electric Guitar, and I put it here, and then I messed around with the notes, and this is how it sounds. And here I just add a little bit of trash to give a little bit of I applied convolution to make it sound more like a guitar amplifier. So you can see the difference. Now it's a little bit more muffled, and with this it's a little bit more open and more bright. So this basically mimics Worcester standard amplifier, not sure. And then we have a second guitar, which is basically the same thing, but I added this simple note here, just to, and you will see when I play the full beat. And then I added the bass. This is basically a 808 from Bangin trap drums, and then I added this 3x oscillator bass, and basically I select this waveform, this one and this one, like in a row, and I put all the chords to 0, and then I applied a low pass filter with as you can see, fast low pass with the mod X knob. And if I open this, let me first copy the value. You can see that it has a lot of not distortion but gritty, and yeah, because of the square waves. Okay, let's make this, and we can apply a low pass quickly in this tab here. Okay, and I think that's basically it. And then I added these pizzicato strings with expand 2, and this is very simple. just to give a little bit more bounce to the beat. And these strings, they have like split enhancer to make them sound a little bit more aggressive, as you can see. So now they are more muffled, and with this they sound more open, more aggressive, and I like the split enhancer for that. And this is basically it. I don't use this pattern here anymore because I have the samples. And let's go ahead and listen to the full beat, and then I can break it down a little bit more so that you can listen to all the sounds. I did a simple composition here, and you can listen to it. So let's go ahead. Let me take out the browser. And basically what I did, I started with the percussion. And by the way, let me change this. Okay, I started with the percussion and the guitars, and then I had it here, the crash, and then we have like the pattern one. I can say it's the sample, but it doesn't have the sample because, as you can see, I disabled this one because we have the samples itself in waveform. But I use this one here, which is the kind of the stab. This sound here. So this one is still enabled. And then we have here the first part of the sample with a lower octave, and then for the chorus with a higher octave. And yeah, let's listen. Okay, for this part, as you can see, I added here, I took out the pattern or the sample. And now you will see the difference with the higher sample or the higher octave sample. Okay, so this is the transition. Of course, I can add also the hi-hats. And as you can see, this is a very bouncy beat. I really enjoyed it. And yeah, I think this is it. Let me know what you think about this beat. Also, if you like this format of videos, I'm trying to shorten the videos to make them a little bit more condensed, so they are easy to listen to. And yeah, let me know what you think. And if you like this content, consider supporting my channel by buying one of my products at DailyBeatsVI or become a premium or exclusive member, and you will have access to exclusive tutorials about music production. And also you can see the full video of this tutorial. Also, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.